In today's digital world, public Wi-Fi can be a convenient way to stay connected. But did you know it can also put your personal information at risk? Hackers can easily intercept your data and steal sensitive information like passwords and credit card details. Your privacy can also be invaded, as cybercriminals can monitor your online activities and collect personal information. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Follow these simple steps to use public Wi-Fi safely. First, always use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your connection and protect your data from prying eyes. Next, verify the network you're connecting to. Make sure it's the official network provided by the establishment. Avoid sensitive activities like online banking or shopping while connected to public Wi-Fi. Save those for secure networks. Remember, your online security should always be a priority. Stay vigilant and protect yourself from potential threats. By following these steps, you can enjoy the convenience of public Wi-Fi without compromising your safety. Stay tuned for more cybersecurity tips and tricks on CyberSensei. Protect yourself and stay one step ahead of cyber threats.